Hello everybody and welcome to my CB shop once again, Bell CB. Today we have an RCI 69FFB4. This is for Robert. He's in California and we're going to do a tune-up report again today. So over here, Robert, I'm looking at 300 watts across the bottom scale. Let me change it. We see 100 watts across the bottom, top scale there. So 40, 60, 80. Goes right to 100, and if I turn it down, it goes down to 10. Okay, now over here, peak reading meter, 1000 watt scale. Right here. 400's right there, there's 6, so 500's a little teeny nipple right there. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Okay. Flip it over to sideband. Check it out. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check. Bunch that up a little bit. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay. Now, over here. Let's put it back in there, huh? I bought it 19. Can I get a radio check, please?
It's working, brother. 5 shots or
Yeah, I appreciate it. I was letting the rest of them finish. I love it when I get more than one response, right? Yeah, usually you're lucky to get somebody to go boop. Well, I'm glad I caught you on a good day.